Tie rods are crucial steering components that connect the steering rack to the wheels, transmitting steering input to control the vehicle. Replace tie rods when you experience play in the steering wheel, uneven tire wear, vibrations, or the vehicle pulling to one side. This wear is often caused by road hazards, corrosion, or age, typically after 50,000 to 100,000 miles. Begin by parking your vehicle on a completely level surface to ensure stability. Engage the parking brake firmly to prevent any movement during the repair process. Next, use a lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the front wheels you'll be servicing. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/4 turn, but leave them on the studs to keep the wheels secure for now. Now, locate the designated jacking points under the vehicle frame. Use a floor jack to slowly raise the front end, then immediately place jack stands under these points for support. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. With the vehicle securely supported, fully remove the lug nuts and take off the front wheels. This exposes the tie rods and other steering components for inspection and replacement. First, locate and loosen the jam nut on the inner tie rod. This allows adjustment of the tie rod length. Next, use the tie rod separator tool to detach the outer tie rod end from the steering knuckle. This breaks the connection safely without damage. Before fully removing the outer tie rod, carefully count the number of turns it takes to unscrew it from the inner tie rod. This counting helps maintain the initial alignment of the steering system. Screw the new outer tie rod onto the inner tie rod, using the same number of turns you counted during removal. This will get you close to the original alignment. Tighten the new tie rod to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically 50 to 70 feet-pounds for sedans. Apply grease to the tie rod joint. Now, reconnect the outer tie rod end to the steering knuckle. Tighten the castle nut to the specified torque. Install a new cotter pin. Secure the jam nut against the outer tie rod. Ensure it's tight to prevent loosening. Now for the final steps to complete the tie rod replacement. First, reinstall the wheels onto the vehicle, ensuring they seat properly on the hubs. Carefully lower the vehicle back to the ground using the jack, then remove the jack stands. Using a torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specification, typically between 80 and 100 foot-pounds, following a star pattern to ensure even tightening. Finally, double-check all nuts and bolts you worked on during the replacement to ensure everything is secure and properly tightened. After reinstalling the wheels, take the vehicle for a short test drive at low speeds. Pay close attention to any unusual noises, vibrations, or handling issues like pulling to one side or loose steering feel. Most importantly, get a professional wheel alignment performed immediately after replacing tie rods. This critical step ensures your vehicle's steering geometry is correct. Proper alignment provides safe handling, prevents uneven tire wear that could cost hundreds in premature replacements, and extends the life of steering components. Neglecting alignment after tie rod replacement can lead to dangerous handling problems and accidents. Schedule this service within 24 hours to maintain safety and save money.